Today we are putting two popular carpet and spot cleaners head to head, the UWANT B400 and the Bissell Little Green HydraSteam, and I will walk you through everything from what's inside the box to the tools, hose and spray options, plus real-world cleaning tests in different scenarios. So here's the UWANT B400. You can lift it with one hand and its lightweight carpet steamer lineup. And here is the Bissell Little Green HydraSteam, and it as a reliable rug scrubbing champion. So before we go deeper, let me show you what each one actually comes with in the box, because this part already shows how different these two machines are. So UWANT gives you the solution and Bissell's give you the. Each machine does come with a bottle in the box. Bissell's tool is a wide 5-inch multi-surface head, so it covers bigger areas faster, and UWANT's tool is about 3.5 inches, so it leans more into tight spots and narrow spaces. I actually like both for different reasons, and I really appreciate that both nozzles pop off for easy cleaning. Trust me, they collect hairballs like a horse cat. All the water and grims get sucked up through here, and you can just pop the nozzles off and rinse it out. Bissell's narrow brush head attachment gets deep into angles, and the bristles are slimmer, so it grates for the edges and covers. UWANT Steam Nozzles has a rounded bristle brush, which is perfect for sink oven styles, basically anywhere you need a little scrubbing power. And when you attach the straight steam nozzle, you can blast grims out of tiny crevice and even that greasy mesh filter above your stove. And this plastic cover is the self-cleaning cover for the UWANT. You dock the hose, power it on, and it literally cleans itself. But wait, there's more. UWANT carpet steamer comes loaded with attachments. You get a bristle brush that flips around and reveals silicone nibs, so you can control how aggressive your scrubbing is. And there's also a soft microfiber attachment that's perfect for mirrors or anything that should not be scrubbed. So on the UWANT, the power button is right up here on top, and this button releases the water container, a lift-off tank with the carry handle. What's nice is the water reservoirs are combined into one compact unit. You just remove the tank cover, lift the silicone flap on the clean water side, and that's where you pour in your water and solution. Close it, snap the cover back on, and the dirty water collects on the other side. Now on the Bissell, you have this rose gold manual dial. You can switch between off, water plus steam, steam only, and water only. Classic Bissell design. Here's their familiar lift-off tank with the carry handle. Just lift the handle and the lid pops open. It's a big 56-ounce container, but honestly, UWANT performs better here. The Bissell feels a bit like dealing with a toddler. You have to stop what you're doing and fiddle with things to get the lid to sit right. The dirty water goes in here and you snap it back down to lock it. Now let's turn the Bissell around. Here's the clean water reservoir. This is where you fill your clean water and add the solution up to the fill line. No measuring needed, and keep in mind the maximum water temperature you can use is 60 degrees Celsius. UWANT has its cord management here on the side in a vertical layout. Bissell also has its cord wrap on the side, but it's a horizontal wraparound style. On the UWANT, all the tools stored neatly on the back. You've got the brush, the steam nozzle, and the little self-cleaning dock. Then your small brush head for the steam wand fits right into this slot, so everything stays in place nicely. The B400 basically keeps all the tools on board in a really slim, tidy setup. Now let's look at cord length and hose design. The UWANT hose is soft, flexible, and surprisingly long. I could reach from my stove to my sink with no problem, and the steam kept running even when the unit was sitting on the counter or down on the floor. And when you're done using it, there's a lip around the entire base that holds the hose in place so it doesn't fall off. The nozzle also latches securely when you store it. Bissell's narrow brush head mounts right here, and the cord wraps around the side. It's not hard to manage because both brands include a little lip to hold the cord in place, so you're not fighting with a giant hose. But Bissell's hose is definitely tighter and thicker, and you can see how it's welded onto the side. That makes the whole thing much less maneuverable. UWANT clearly wins the hose category, Bissell's hose just isn't as flexible. When we stretched it out, it literally tried to jump off the counter, and the shorter length makes it even more awkward. For a basic spot cleaner, it's fine, but for a multi-function steam cleaner, UWANT takes this round easily. Now let's look at the difference in how the water sprays on each one. On the Bissell 5-inch tool, the water comes out from underneath the brush head. On the UWANT 3.5-inch tool, the water sprays from the front. Go ahead and press the trigger and you'll see the difference right away. Front spray on the UWANT, bottom spray on the Bissell. Let's wipe off that greasy layer. The UWANT nozzle really loosened everything up. I love how flexible the hose is and how easy it is to reach into all the corners. It makes deep cleaning days so much easier. The UWANT nozzle blasted out years of gunk stuck in the quarter round molding where it meets the kitchen island. And the round scrub brush attachment gives a strong wide steam jet that cleans really well. I just stayed clear of the electronic ignition so I didn't soak it. UWANT also made quick work of the greasy backsplash and the area under the vent hood. On the multi-surface tool, the water spray comes from the front and the water flows up through the center. You can see how much steam it puts out. And honestly, if you still mop floors by hand, this thing replaces that job completely. If you live in a small apartment or think about tight bathroom corners, this tool gets into those cramped spots and powers out the grime quickly. For this comparison, I'm using a doormat. I'm pouring Pepsi and yogurt on it. As you can see, it gets pretty dirty. Instead of washing the whole mat, I just want to remove the stains using these spot cleaners. I poured the same amount of dirty, spicy water on both sides so we can clearly see how each one performs. Let's start with the UWANT. To keep things fair, I used a separate solution. UWANT uses a smaller suction brush. It covers a smaller area, but the suction is noticeably stronger. Because the opening is narrower, the suction is more concentrated, which helps it clean tough spots more effectively. Bissell, on the other hand, has a wider suction brush that covers more area. That also means the suction power is spread out. With similar wattage, a wider opening results in weaker suction at any single point. You can see here that some residue is left behind in a few spots. Here's the side-by-side comparison before and after. I also ran another test on a different doormat with a different carpet quality. This time I'm pouring milk and spices on it. It looks pretty dirty, so again I'm cleaning it using both of these cleaners. Let's start dragging the cleaner across the surface. You can see the dirt lifting right out with the Bissell. I'll make a few more passes so you can see it clearly. Now with the UWANT, it's lifting the dirt just as well. Both machines pull the grime up very quickly. Here's the before and after for this test too. If you are using either of these, you really don't have to worry about stains or spots anymore. Here's something really cool about the UWANT, a self-cleaning feature. There's a little plastic cap that slips on to dock the hose so you can clean it automatically. You just snap it on, power up the unit, press the button and watch the water flow through the hose. It cleans itself really well, so you don't have to do any extra scrubbing. Honestly, isn't that what we all want? Appliances that clean themselves. I love this feature. Once the cycle finishes, the self-cleaning mode is done. Super simple and convenient. I really hope you enjoyed this comparison review. If you're thinking about getting a spot cleaner for yourself, check out the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really motivates me to make more tech videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.